Kũringana na kamanda wa borithi Kajiado ya ithũĩro Abithaa Kariuki, maobithaa ya borithi mauma mĩhang'o-inĩ ya gũikia ngono mwĩkũĩrwo wa ũnyitani wa kĩahinya, na rĩrĩa mamũikirie ngono, gĩkundi kĩa nyanake kĩeyumĩria makĩenda mwĩkũĩrwo atiganwo nake, na gacagaca-inĩ no nĩho mambĩrĩirie gũikia mahiga, kũrĩa abithaa ũmwe wa borithi agĩire na nguraro.
Then this morning our officers went to pursue the suspect, and upon arrest of the suspect, when they had placed the suspect in the vehicle, some local youths gathered around the vehicle. They wanted the officers not to carry the suspect with them and be handed over to the society so that they can solve the issues amongst themselves. While the officers were driving out, they hurled stones on our vehicle, and the driver of the vehicle was badly injured on the right side of his head. He was taken to the local dispensary and given first aid, and later taken to Magadi hospital where he was treated. He is in fair condition.
Kariuki nĩakomithitie gĩko gĩkĩ, akĩũria mũingĩ kũnyitanĩra na maobithaa borithi harĩ kũhukia ciĩko ici, kũrĩa ongereire atĩ namba ya atabania a ciĩko ici ĩrĩ igũrũ.
As police officers, we are deeply saddened by that. We never expected to have a retaliation from the society when we are arresting a rapist whom has raped one of their own. This means that really the society itself, it knows more than what they are they have hidden more than what they are telling us, the public. They know more of whatever is happening within themselves. They don't want the suspect to be taken to custody, and that's why you find them injuring our officers. It is sad. One officer is injured, and it is not acceptable.
Mwĩkũĩrwo ũrĩa wĩikirio ngono atanyĩtwo gũkinya igoti-inĩ mũthĩ wa rũciũ.
The suspect whom we arrested is one Samuel Timonyi, a Maasai male adult, aged 27 years. He is in custody. And we are going to take him to court probably by tomorrow once we finish processing the issue, the case.
Kĩambĩrĩria-inĩ gĩa kiumia gĩkĩ, mwĩkũĩrwo ũngĩ wa ũnyitani wa kĩahinya na ũrĩa waikirio ngono mwena wa Oloika nĩarakinyirio igoti-inĩ na kũrekererio na bondi ya ciringi 500,000. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma Kajiado ya ithũĩro, Getwo Wacuka wa Kĩarĩ.